Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete all chats in Facebook Messenger. To delete all chats in the Facebook Messenger app, you'll need to follow these steps that I'm going to show you right away. First off, you need to understand that Facebook Messenger does not offer a built-in option to delete all chats at once. You'll need to delete them individually. If you're using an iOS, all right, or if you're using an Android, I'm going to show you how to do it on both of the devices. First, you need to open the Messenger app, which of course I've done right here. Then navigate to the chat tab. This is the chat tab. If you check the bottom of your screen, you'll find chats, you find Meta AI, and you find highlights. So ensure it is set to the chat tab. Now, this is where all your conversations are listed. Now, for you to delete a conversation on iOS, just head over to the chat that you want to delete and swipe left on the conversation and tap delete. But if you're using the Android, you're going to have to tap and hold the conversation, then tap delete or the trash icon. So this is a conversation here. So I'm just going to hold down. So I'm going to tap and hold the conversation, and you see a couple of options display: archive, delete, mute, create group chat, open chat head, mark as unread, restrict, and block. So go ahead and click on delete. And once you click on delete, that's it. This chat will be deleted. So you need to confirm deletion. Confirm that you want to delete the chat, and this will remove it from your chat list. So go over there, click on delete, then confirm it. And once you confirm it, that's all for that. Then if you're using the Facebook on the web browser, it's pretty simple. Just hover your mouse over the conversation in the list, click the three dots menu that appear next to the conversation, and then click on delete. And once you click on delete, confirm that you want to delete, because you're going to see the confirm banner. And once that's done, you'll be able to delete all your Facebook messages. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.